Hello everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Today I'm here at the ID Treffen WarmUp. ID Treffen is a meeting that has been established last year in September, where people with an ID car, so ID3, ID4, soon ID5, meet in Switzerland. But today is the warm-up for this year, so the next meeting in Switzerland is this September. I put the link in the description. They invited me, so thank you very much to Daniel who invited me. Very nice. And here today we are now at the Volkswagen factory here in Zwickau, where my ID3 Walter was built. And as I look around, there are millions of ID3s and ID4s here already waiting to be delivered. It's awesome. A few people already here. There should be 50 people, 35 cars. We will get a tour of the factory, but I'm not allowed to film in there or take pictures or anything, so that's sad. But Volkswagen will make a... Ooh, there's a Cupra Born here too. Cool. The Volkswagen themselves will make a video also with drone shot with us, all the 35 cars. Then after, when the tour is over, there's food, and then we drive to Dresden to the transparent factory and meet up there. And then there's another factory tour in Dresden, and people will talk. So it's a really nice event. So again, if you're interested, link in the description below. Okay, no, we just looked at the factory and it was very interesting. First we looked into where they put the components together, so the cockpit in and all the stuff, and it was extremely interesting. And we saw the marriage where the battery with the motor and everything gets, yeah, there's still normal cars here, and I think they just have shift change. So one shift is going, one shift is coming. And like I said, the battery and the motor going into the car, that was very impressive. And then we looked into where they make the body of it, and a lot of it glued, very interesting, but it looks so cool with all the robots. Not a lot of people are working there, it's mostly robots, but where they put everything together, it was a lot of people there, and it was very cool. Then we went into the canteen and had a bit of food. It was also cool. It's like a little city, the same as in Wolfsburg. I was there once, also very very German. And now we're here, we're just gonna drive in a convoy to Dresden. So first the ID bus, and we have an ID5 here, and then we all go, and then the camera team of Volkswagen is driving by to see all mostly ID3s and a few ID4s going to Dresden. It would take an hour to go there or something. Now we arrived at the transparent factory. The last cars are just coming and it was really cool. I had to pass them because I have to go home in an hour and I have to charge a bit more. Ooh, there would be a 22 kilowatt charger open. Maybe I park here. And here, now we have a little meeting. Maybe I can fly the drone again. Let's do that. A lot of cars. It was cool to drive behind and in a convoy, so many ID3s, ID4, one Audi Q4 e-tron, one ID5 in the front and an ID bus in the back. That's sadly it for me, but the event still goes on. They have a tour of the transparent factory that I already did at some other point, I think even twice. And also then they have other things, and it goes on till 11 p.m. but it's almost 5 p.m. now and I have to get going because tomorrow morning I have to go somewhere else. But it was cool. Thanks Daniel again for the invite. It was amazing. It was very interesting in Zwickau, very interesting. But that's it for me. Thank you much for watching, have a great day and take care, bye!